rapid skills needs to be checked. What do you guys think? Wait. Post me where? No, I'm shy. How's your father now? I feel like my rapping skills needs to be checked. You guys saw the one I rapped for my friend the other time? Yeah, asked me. She loved it. Let me know when you are sick about this occasion. Baby, but why are you twinning? Pop socks, short skirts. What's this?
It's not skirt. Mine is skirt. How is not skirt?
It's electricity for my family members. Hey, hi to my people.
See this girl. Wait. Let me post.
Wait. Post me where? No, I'm shy. So I've been seeing this Coach bag. I really wanted to get, guys. I am finally going to get it today. Guess who's here? My sugar baby. Hi.
Hi.
The excitement in your voice. Aww.
Nice to meet you guys. All the way from Nigeria.
I do that. Okay. We're going to Liverpool.